Hey guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing of my new Seicane head unit for my Mark 6 GTI. So I'll be replacing the one in there right now, which is the S6920. I'll post the link on for the video up here, or as well as in the description down below. So what I'll be doing is I'll be giving that one away. So if you want a chance to win it, you need to go to that video, comment "I want it." Like it and subscribe to my channel, and you'll get a chance to win that unit. And I'll be showing you in a video here coming up the next few days the remote of the unit and everything that will be included. So again, we'll be installing this one here, so I'll be unboxing it to show you what all comes with, and then I will also be doing the install video on this head unit. So let me get the camera over to this side and we'll start unboxing it. Okay, so this is the new unit, which is the S6920. So we'll just start opening up here. So when you get a manual, this one comes with Android 7.1.1 installed. So there's a user manual. It will include a address, phone, and how to get a hold of them. So there's the Seicane, Facebook, and I'm not sure what the VK stands for, and some other information on the back. We also have a warranty card that you can put up there. Now for the unit itself, just take this cover, set to the side. So we'll start with here. So these for the Volkswagen, of course. They include the antenna adapter. So the standard antenna is the male end like this. This one includes the adapter. So if your Volkswagen has this type of antenna for some models, they include that with it. That's one piece. Then harnesses. They include two harnesses. This is one of them. This is one I will be using. And then there's the one that goes to the main unit, and it has the other inputs here. So fairly straightforward. Just plug it straight to your existing vehicle harness and you're good to go. You don't need to splice or anything. Within one difference, and I'll explain that one later. Of course, so there's that one. So depending on the model that you have, I'll be using that. This is the other type of connector that, again, depending on your vehicle, you may be using this one. And same thing, it's got everything you need there. Both harnesses do have this little extra plug, and this is for your canvas. So let me get the rest of the stuff here. So this is your canvas box. So again, doesn't matter which harness you use, you will be plugging in the canvas. Of course, there will be that little white plug. It only goes one way, which I believe is this way. So plug her in, and this is what will communicate the radio to the car. So with this one, just like the other one, you're able to see all the information on your radio when you open the door, your climate control change, and some information of the vehicle. And that information depends on what's in your vehicle as well. So that's that. So there's the canvas. Other stuff in here is there's one USB there. I should include two. They're all going to be labeled. So there goes USB. There is a second USB, and this one's labeled USB, I believe, in 3G Wi-Fi. So you should be able to use it as a standard USB as well, but you can also do a 3D or 3G dongle on it, so you want internet in your vehicle at all times. And your video inputs here. So this one's here for a microphone. I won't be using this one. Will be the integrated microphone I believe it will have. So, but yours, if yours has an external mic, that's how you plug it in. This one here is for your auxiliary. Mine does have auxiliary. Don't use it, but it still has it. This is for a TV tuner if you want to use that, as well as one other video input and DVR camera. Then you got the other RCAs here, subwoofer, which I might be adding to my car later on, power antennas and amplifiers, so you have those there. And then these ones, some of these are front and rear. So this is let's see, rear and front. Front, there you go. So if you want to use an amplifier for your speakers, there's your front and your rear outputs for that. And that is that. So it includes that, of course. Includes the GPS puck, as well as Wi-Fi antenna, because it does have built-in Wi-Fi. So and it's since it's Google on it, so you can download any apps or whichever one of Google Play. So there's, you're gonna use Google Maps, which I use, and I'll show you how to download that stuff and make it work for your car. You can do that. So that's all the accessories included. Now for the head unit itself. This one is a 9-inch touchscreen. So, there. So there is the unit itself, 9-inch across. Does have a few capacitive touch buttons at the bottom here. We'll turn it over, and if you're not sure about the wiring, this one does include the schematics up top, so what pin is what. So if you're not sure, you can look through there. We'll look at the back side of it. So this is where your main harness will connect to, and does include a fuse. This one's here for your GPS puck. This is for your Wi-Fi antenna. There's your standard female input antenna, and then all these ones here are going to be your plugs. So I believe this is your RCA down to one of your USBs, second USB I believe. I'm not sure which one. I'll double check each one. But if you don't need to use them all, you don't have to. So that'll save you some having a whole bunch of wires that you might not be using. So just plug in the ones you need to, or just plug them all there. That'll be up to you. But anyways, that's the head unit there. Again, is the S6920. I will be doing the install video here hopefully the next few days. So there is everything included in this unit. And it's great because, as you can see, they include everything you need. Essentially, it's plug and play, with one exception. I'll speak it out in the video. But anyways, this was the unboxing of a Seicane head unit. Question, comments, let me know. I'll post the description to this one in the description down below. And so yeah, we'll do the video next. And anything else, comments, questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.